Good morning, parents and students. Today I am going to teach you about the use of the. Yesterday I had taught you about the use of a and n. This topic is very interesting, so carefully hear my words and look at the blackboard. In a common way, commonly, how to remember where to use the, we say that those things which were known to our forefathers and today also we know it, before that things we use the. Now come to the whiteboard. Directions. Number one, directions. Our forefathers had the knowledge of direction. For example, in Hindu religion you will find if a person dies, then the people put the dead body to the north to south direction. Head towards the north direction and feet towards the south direction. It means they had the knowledge of direction. We worship also the sun in the east direction. It means our forefather had the knowledge of direction, and today also we know about this direction. So those things which we have known our forefathers and also today we know it, before these things articles we should use them. Now come to these stars. They were known to our forefathers and today also we know it. Planets. In Hindu religion, a very peculiar thing is in it. आपके घर में कभी पूजा होती हो या आप पूछिए किसी से जानकारी लेंगे तो नवग्रह की पूजा करते हैं. ये नवग्रह क्या है? 9 प्लैनेट्स. तो ये 9 प्लैनेट्स की पूजा क्यों हुई? क्योंकि हमारे फोरफादर इसको जानते थे और आज भी हम जान रहे हैं. तो ऐसी चीजों के बारे जो हमारे फोरफादर्स जानते थे और आज हम भी इसको जान रहे हैं, उसके आगे द लगाना ये कॉमन वे है. इस सिंपल वे में आप इसको याद रख सकते हैं. इसमें रटने की आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ेगी. यूनिवर्स एज यू नो, स्काई also is known and it was also before. Now today. Now come to the point number 2, before holy books. Ramayana, Mahabharata, Puran. These are commonly known as holy books in India. Now we should try to explain it. Ramayana is a holy book, Mahabharata is a holy book, Quran is a holy book, and Puran are also holy. But why? पूरे रामायण को आप पढ़ेंगे, एक लाइन या 2 लाइन मुश्किल से निकलेगा, राम नाम सत्य है. द नेम ऑफ राम इज ट्रू. जो सत्य है वो अपवित्र कैसे हो सकता है? सत्य को जब हम गॉड कह सकते हैं कि ट्रूथ इज गॉड एंड गॉड इज ट्रूथ, तो ये जहां ट्रू बात लिखी गई है, सत्य बात लिखी गई, वो अपवित्र कैसे हो सकता है? सो दिस इज हॉली बुक. सो बिफोर रामायण वी शुड यूज द रामायण. महाभारत इज ऑल्सो इन द सेम way. This shows conflict of human life for their welfare. Here is also the truth of work. So it is also holy. So we should use the before Mahabharata. In the same way, Quran, that is also holy. So we should use the before Quran. पुराण, ये व्यास के जो पुराण है, आप उनके संस्कृत को आप पढ़ेंगे श्लोक को, उन्होंने कहा इष्टादेशु पुराणेषु व्यासस्य वचनद्रव्यम परोपकाराय पुण्याय पापाय परपीडनम्। जिस श्लोक में यह कहा गया हो कि दूसरे को दुख देने से पाप होता है, सुख देने से पुण्य होता है, ये ग्लोबल ह्यूमन वेलफेयर की जहां बात कही गई हो, वो अपवित्र कैसे हो सकता है? वह भी पवित्र है, इसलिए उसके आगे भी हम द का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, द पुराण। नंबर 3, बिफोर माउंटेन रेंज, पिक्स, डेजर्ट्स। ये पर्वत श्रृंखलाएं जो होती है, जैसे हिमालय रेंज, द माउंट एवरेस्ट, डेजर्ट्स, मरुभूमि, इनके आगे, इन्हें भी हमारे पूर्वज जानते थे और आज हम भी जान रहे हैं, इसलिए इनके आगे द माउंटेन रेंज, द हिमालयन रेंज, द माउंट एवरेस्ट, द सहारा डेजर्ट। इन 4th पॉइंट, बिफोर पोस्ट, पद के आगे। पद क्या है? जैसे प्रधानमंत्री का पद, द पोस्ट ऑफ पीएम, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, द पोस्ट ऑफ सीएम, चीफ मिनिस्टर, प्रिंसिपल, एचएम, हेडमास्टर। ये पोस्ट है, पद है। पद के आगे बिफोर दिस पोस्ट वी शुड यूज द, बिकॉज in PM means not the Prime Minister of India, that is Narendra Modi, not the name of President Donald Trump. These are the name of man, but the post PM is not a man. So we use the before post PM, CM, principal, HM, etc. Now come to the point number 5, before superlative degree. There are 3 kinds of degree in English: good, better, best. Good, better, best. So best is the superlative degree. So we use the before best. For example, the best boy, you can say. The best girl, you can say. The biggest, the smallest, the oldest, the richest. In the same way, point number 6 में you can write, you can listen it. Before common noun, we use the cat, the dog. The cat means all the cats which has been living in this world. The dog means all the dogs which has been living in this world. If we put a name of our dog, suppose that I have a dog and his name is Tinku, then we cannot use the before Tinku. But if we tell about dog, then we put the before dog. The dog means all the dogs which has been living in this world.